What up? It's your boy back at it again. So today I'm gonna be making some shrimp fried rice. So I got the wok right here. I already got some butter in here. I already got it hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and come over here. I got 3 eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and fry them up. So we'll go ahead and crack the yolk on top. Let these eggs fry up together. Over here, I have my butter for my shrimp already ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my shrimp in. We'll just let our shrimp cook and get nice and pink and done. Whew, man, smells good. I can't wait to dig into this shrimp fried rice, man. So thanks for tuning into this video. You guys are checking out me making this shrimp fried rice. Go over and check out my Instagram at Southern Smoke Boss. And go ahead and push that follow button and follow me on Instagram. I appreciate all the prayers that everybody gave me during the hurricane. This video will most likely be up after the hurricane. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.